Sometime somebody says some kind of bad words, negative words to you, insulting words to you, and those negative words keep on rotating in your mind for a long time. So whenever you want to do something good, those negative words just keep on bugging your mind. Say, hey, you can't do this, you are a total failure, you are an idiot, or something like that. Some bad word which somebody had like spoken to us at some time back, still they are bugging in your mind, because your mind is playing a stored copy of that particular line which that person said, and you constantly feel demotivated. Once you hear those words, you feel very bad about it, you feel something negative about it when you hear those words. And because now the task is over, the person is away, still your mind is playing it with you. If you want to get rid of this kind of negative thought pattern, this video is for you. This is Sanjiv Malik from Self Awakening Mission, New Delhi, India, and I'm a NLP life coach, and this technique is very powerful. This is called NLP sub-modality change. So technique is very simple, and what you do is you have to play that sound in your mind. Play that sound which creates a bad impression in your heart, in your mind. Okay, just play that once. Play this one and see the impact of that sound on your inner condition. How do you feel? You must be feeling really bad, right? And when you're feeling bad, so how much bad is that? In a scale of 0 to 10, how much do you rate? Let's say that value is 10 as of now. So what you have to do is you just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and in your mind you have to reduce the volume of this sound which is playing in your mind, because it is a stored copy of somebody's voice which was spoken some long time back. So your mind is playing this. This control of this volume is in your hands. So what you have to do is simply reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. So in your mind, with when I say that, okay, just along with me, reduce the volume. Say 10, reduce, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. How do you feel about it? Does it create the same impact in your mind, or you feel any relaxation? If not, one more thing. So what you have to do is simply, have you heard Mickey Mouse voice or any other funny voice, very funny voice? So what you have to do is, let's say this word was like, you are an idiot. So this word is spoken by Mickey Mouse or some other funny character. So that funny character is saying like, you are an idiot, but he's saying in so funny manner that you, instead of creating any pain, this is very laughing. So whatever that sound was which was creating your mind a negative impact, you are speaking internally through the Mickey Mouse. So just play that sound in the sound of Mickey Mouse and feel how does it impact. Play it once more, 3 to 4 times. Okay. Now play the original sound. Can you do that? No, you cannot. Because the mind has learned a new thing, and this new thing is very powerful, and which doesn't create any pain, rather it creates a very light atmosphere in your mind. And your mind always want peace. So that simply means your mind will not play this anymore. Okay, so perfect. So if you have really got benefit of this technique, please share and comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.